Dear students, welcome. I am Sheikh Bashir, your friend. Today, in this short video, we are going to learn the solution of question number 15, which is in exercise 5.3 of chapter Arithmetic Progression. So before we start to learn, I would like to request you to have a pen and paper with you so that you can solve the question simultaneously while watching this video. Let's first understand what actually the question is. The question is, a contractor on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows: 200 rupees for the first day, 250 rupees for the second day, 300 rupees for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. So let's first understand what actually the question asks. The question asks, there is a construction work which is done by constructor and there is a specific time in which the contractor has to finish the work. In case the contractor delays the completion of work, then he has to pay a type of fine. For 1 day of delay, contractor has to pay rupees 200 more. And for 2 days, the contractor has to pay 250. And for 3 days, the contractor has to pay rupees 300. So this means for 1 day late, a contractor has to pay rupees 200. And for successive days, the contractor has to pay rupees 50 for each successive day. Now the question, if the contractor delayed the work for 30 days, how much money as a penalty has the contractor to pay? So first of all, amount which the contractor has to pay as the penalty, we would mention this in the form of figures. First day, the contractor has to pay 200, second day 250, third day 300, and in case of fourth day, he has to pay 450. Similarly for 30 days. Now this is actually an AP with first term, that is A1 200, D, that is common difference 50, and N 30. Why N is 30? Because the contractor has delayed the work by 30 days. So here the N is 30. So what we have to actually obtain the amount of penalty that he has to pay after 30 days. That means we need to find the sum of this AP. So that we can find by using the formula S30. So we have Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we will put the values of a, n and d to get the result, that is S30. So S30 is 30 by 2 into 2 into first term, that is 200, plus 30, the number of terms, minus 1 into 50, that is the common difference. Simplifying this a little, we get 15 into 400 plus 29 into 50. Further simplifying, we get 15 into 400 plus 400, 1450. Simplifying the bracket first, we get 1850, and finally simplifying, we will get 22,750. This means the contractor has to pay rupees 22,750 as penalty for 30 days delay of the work. I hope you might have understood how to solve this question. Thank you.